Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about 5 best Apple Watch golf apps. All right, let's begin. Here are 5 of the best iOS Apple Watch or iPhone golf apps you can use to improve your game, get accurate GPS data, and manage scoring. Number 1 is Golf Shot. It delivers one of the most complete golf GPS experiences available on the Apple Watch. It provides precise distances to the green, hazards, and layup points across thousands of courses worldwide. The app also includes automatic shot tracking, 3D flyovers, scorekeeping, and helpful club recommendations, making it feel like a personal caddy right on your wrist. Golf Logix is perfect for golfers who want detailed green and approach shot insights. It offers 3D hole maps, heat-mapped greens, putt line visuals, and elevation-adjusted yardages. Its Apple Watch integration allows you to see distances and course details instantly, making it especially helpful when putting or playing on challenging layouts. Hole 19 is a great choice for golfers who want a simple, free, and effective GPS watch app. It provides front, middle, and back green distances, shot tracking, and digital scorecards. The interface is clean and easy to read on the Apple Watch, letting you check yardages quickly without slowing down your game. Swing U is a strong, budget-friendly option that still offers reliable GPS distances and scoring. It tracks your shots, walking distance, and basic stats directly from your Apple Watch. If you want accurate yardages without needing an expensive subscription, Swing U is one of the best lightweight options available. Lastly, the Grint is ideal for players who want detailed scoring, handicap tracking, and performance analytics. From your Apple Watch, you can access GPS yardages, enter scores, and review stats on the go. The app is especially popular among golfers who play competitive rounds and want to improve by tracking their progress over time. And that's it. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.